Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Nowadays another trending video is going viral, that is Google Gemini's Nano Banana AI Saree prompt is going viral. So I will show you the images from where you can see that these kind of images you can also try by simply you can change the color of the saree to red or green or black or any other color you want. So there are some prompts that you can easily change the color of the saree and via using Google Gemini. So before that, you are suggested to go to Google Play Store and simply you need to download Google Gemini. If you don't have, search for Gemini AI. And in my case I have already installed it. So if you don't have this app, simply go to Google Play Store, install it and then open it. And after opening it, here you need to add any image of a lady wearing a sari. So simply go to the gallery section and after adding it you have to paste the prompt that I will share in the description. So now here you need to paste the prompt and then you need to wait for some time and let's see what are the changes it will be happen over here. So as it is, you can see that the color of the sari has been changed. So you can also change the color from red to black or green. So I will also show you that as well. So here in the prompt you need to simply click on it, click on edit option, and where you can see the red option over here, red sari, you simply need to delete it and type black and then okay, and you need to wait for some time. And here is the image. So you can see the color of the sari has been changed to black, and even you can change any other color you want. So this is the viral trending that is going on now. You can easily create this using Gemini AI photo prompt. You just need to copy the prompt and then paste it here, and then you can see this type of changes. So in this video I have showed you how to create stunning visuals with Gemini AI. I hope you liked the video. So that's all for now. Thank you.